Hey there, YouTube. Today I'm gonna cook. I'll be cooking chicken. I'm gonna bake it. First step to cooking is always wash your hands. So what we're working with here, we got 2 chicken breasts and our imagination. Alright. Raw chicken, as you know, contains salmonella, so never ever touch raw chicken and then put your fingers in your mouth. That's bad. Don't touch raw chicken and then eat. Matter of fact, anytime you touch raw chicken, wash your hands again. I want to put the seasoning in this bowl. Here's some Tony Saturin, some garlic pepper, some oregano, some lemon pepper, a lot of lemon pepper, and regular pepper. I like black peppercorn grinders because, I don't know, the pepper just seems to have a better flavor for me that way. So I'm going to start off with some Tonys. Oh, I might put quite a bit of that in there. Put some garlic salt or garlic pepper. You know, we're going to use some garlic salt too. Some oregano. Lemon pepper. And pepper. Alright. Just going to kind of sift this around, get it mixed up. I like to take my skin off of the chicken. It usually just comes off pretty easily. I'm happy with that. I think I'll go ahead and take this bone out of here too. It's one that really wants to start being kind of stubborn. With the knife anyway, that's whenever you take your fingers, and you just pull the bone out. I'm gonna cook this here chicken. I'm gonna eat it. There's a little spot right here, you can see like a little line. That's where you're going to want to cut this in half. You just keep cutting along that line and they'll cut perfectly, like it's supposed to be. I have deboned the other breast, and this is ready to be seasoned. Still kind of ugly on this one, but I mean, it doesn't matter, because it's going to be tasty. It's going to be mighty tasty. Just kind of plap it in the bowl once. This food's going to be good. Put down a piece of tin foil on our oven tray. I'm just going to lay out this chicken breast. I want it to be very close. Right. Now we break out that old skin we had earlier. I'm just going to cover this up. That right there, folks, is going to be good. Now I'm just going to pop this in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright, this is the final product. This is the chicken when it's done. Alright, thanks for the view. Like and subscribe, and I'll be coming up with some more food to cook for y'all to watch me cook, and maybe you can learn how to cook it too. Thanks for the view. Once again.